Sairam children, today we are going to do lesson number 13, the seasons classwork. So, all of you please ready with your pencil, eraser and classwork notebook, that is number 4. Okay children, are you ready? So, let us start. First, we will write the new words. That is lesson number 13, the seasons new words. And also write in the index date, lesson number 13 and the heading, the seasons. Okay. Now let us start. Number 1, weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Number 2, season. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. Number 3, summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Number 4, monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. Number 5, winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Number 6, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Number 7, raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. Number 8, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Number 9, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Number 10, woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. These are the 10 words. Write in your notebook and learn. Now, let us start the next one. Fill in the blanks. Write the heading. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Days are dash and dash during summer. During summer, the days are long and sunny. So the right answer is days are long, underline, and sunny, underline, during summer. Dash is also known as rainy season. What is the other name for rainy season? Monsoon. So, write there monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. Monsoon, underline, is also known as rainy season. Number 3, we like to drink something hot in winter. We like to drink something dash in winter. Winter season, we like to drink or eat all hot things. So the answer is hot. H-O-T, hot. So we have finished with fill in the blanks. Now let us see number 2, heading, name the following. Name the following. March, April, May and June are what? March, April, May and June are summer months. March, April, May and June are summer months. November, December, January and February are winter months. You have to write the answer. Summer months, March, April, May and June, put a dash, summer months. November, December, January and February, dash, it is winter months. Now, next one. July, August, September, put a dash, monsoon months. July, August, September, then put a dash, write monsoon months. Number 5, when we have the same weather for a long time, what is that? When we have the same weather for a long time, it is called seasons. What is that? Seasons. And when we have the same weather for a long time, it is season. And the weather can change within a very short time. Weather can change within a very short time, and the same weather is for a long time, it is seasons. So we have finished with the name the following. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the difference between weather and season? Just now I told you what is weather and what is season. What is the difference between weather and season? The question is, what is the difference between weather and season? And the answer, do you know the answer, children? Yes, the weather can change within a very short time. The weather can change within a very short time. And when we have same weather for a long time, we call it as a season. We call it a season. A weather can change within a very short time. A weather can change within a very short time. For example, a day may be rainy in the morning and then it can become sunny and clear by afternoon. But season means when we have same weather like rainy season, summer season and winter season for a long time, we call it a season. So difference between weather and season, weather can change within a very short time, and when we have same weather for a long time, we call it a season. So we have finished question number 1. Next is question number 2. Name the 3 seasons and write a sentence about what happens during each season. What are the 3 main seasons in India? Yes, summer, monsoon, rainy season, winter and winter. So we have 3 main seasons. The main seasons are summer, monsoon and winter. The summer season, the days are long and sunny. In summer season, the days are long and sunny. But in monsoon, the days are cloudy and it rains very often. In winter season, cold winds blow and it may even snow at some places in the mountains. So there are 3 seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. And summer season, the days are long and sunny. We will get enough sunlight in summer season. But in monsoon season, the days are cloudy, looks dark and it rains very often. And it rains, sometimes heavy rains also. And in winter season, cold winds blow and it may even snow at some places in the mountains. So, question number 2 over. Number 3. What kind of clothes do we wear during following seasons? What kind of clothes do we wear during following seasons? Summer season, we like to wear light cotton clothes. In summer season, we like to wear cotton clothes, light cotton clothes, and winter season, woolen clothes like sweater, cap, gloves and socks, etc. So, in summer, light cotton clothes and in winter, woolen clothes. Number 4. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter season? Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter season? Why? To keep ourselves warm. We wear woolen clothes in winter season to keep ourselves warm. We feel very cold during winter season. To keep ourselves, our body warm, we wear woolen clothes. So the answer is, we wear woolen clothes in winter season to keep ourselves warm. Number 5. Distinguish between summer and winter season. The differences between summer and winter season. Summer means which season? It's a hot season. And winter, cold season. So first difference is hot and cold. Summer is very hot and winter is cold. And summer, the days are long and sunny. Enough sunlight we will get. And winter season, the days are short and very cool. And the nights are long and cold. Then during summer, we like to drink cold drinks? No. No. We like to drink lots of water and other cold drinks. During summer, we like to drink lots of water and other cold drinks. And in winter, we like to drink something hot in winter. Something hot. So these are the three main differences between summer and winter season. In summer, it's a hot season and winter is cold season. The hot season is known as summer and the cold season is known as winter. The days are long and sunny in summer season and the days are short and cool and the nights are long and cold. The days are long and sunny in winter season, in summer season. But in winter season, the days are short and cool and the nights are long and cold. And during summer season, we like to drink lots of water and other cold drinks. But in winter season, we like to drink something hot in winter. Both are opposite. So these are the differences between summer and winter season. So you have to make a column like this. One side summer and one side winter, and point wise you have to write. You can leave a line in between each point. After point number 1, leave one line, then 2, then leave one line and write 3 like this. Okay. Now draw things that we use during rainy season. You are going to draw a raincoat, umbrella and gumboot. Draw neatly. If you want, you can give color also. The first one is raincoat. Very easy. These drawings are very easy. You all can do. Neatly draw with pencil, then color with colors and give outline with sketch pen. Okay, children. What are these things? Raincoat. We use all these things in rainy season. Raincoat, umbrella and gumboot. Okay. Now we have finished with our classwork. Now let us do some textual exercise. Okay. The first one is mark the sentence as true or not true. You have to put a tick if it is true, put a cross if it is not true. Okay, children. Now these are from the textbook. You do this in the textbook. Now first one is the days are long and sunny in summer. Is it correct? The days are long and sunny in summer. Just now I told you what is the difference between summer and winter. In that teacher told you summer season the days are long and sunny. The days are long and sunny. Now let us put click or wrong. Yes, it is right. It is right. Let me take a color. It is right. Okay. Now next one. We wear cotton clothes in winter. We wear cotton clothes in winter. Do we? No. Then what type of clothes? We wear woolen clothes. So this sentence is wrong. Put a wrong. Okay. Now third one is The cold season is known as monsoon. Monsoon is cold season? No. Then the rainy season is known as monsoon and cold season is known as winter. So the statement is wrong. Wrong. Okay. Now when it rains, we wear raincoats and carry umbrella. When it rains, we wear raincoats and carry an umbrella. Yes, sweater we wear? No. Then this is correct? Yes, this statement is correct. This one is correct. Put a correct here. It snows in some places in the mountains during winter. It snows some places in the mountains during winter. Yes, it is also correct. Put a tick here. Okay. So, the first one, days are long and sunny in summer. Correct. We wear cotton clothes in winter. Wrong. We wear woolen clothes in winter. That is correct. The cold season is known as monsoon. Wrong. When it rains, the cold season is known as winter. When it rains, we wear raincoats and carry umbrellas. Yes, always. It snows in some places in the mountains during winter. Yes, correct. So, we have finished this. Now, we will go to the next one. We have to next one is tick the correct word. Tick the correct word. This also from the textbook. Do this in the textbook. Okay, children. Now, first one is that whether a season can change within a short time. Which can change within a short time? Weather a season. Weather can change within a short time. A season can change within a short time. Which one is correct? Weather. It is weather. Now, the hot season is called winter or summer. The hot season is summer. The hot season is winter. Which one is correct? Tell me. Yeah, it is summer. The hot season is called summer. And we like to drink hot or cold drinks in summer. We like to drink in summer season. What we like to drink? We like to drink hot or cold. We like to drink cold. Now, monsoon or winter is another name for the rainy season. What is the other name for rainy season? Winter? Yeah, monsoon. Yes, it is monsoon. Now, days are short or long during winters. Days are short or long during winters. The days are long during winters or short during winters? The days are short and cool during winters. So, this is correct, short. So, again, the first one, the weather can change within a short time. The hot season is called summer. We like to drink cold drinks in summer. Monsoon is another name for the rainy season. And days are short during winters. So, children, we have finished with our lessons exercise, textual exercise and classwork. And now you have to do your duty that you have to write all these things in your classwork, that is book number 4, and complete the textual exercise with the help of this video. Okay, children. Now see you with revision. Bye, children. Take care.